Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start right now. Make sure the tablet has at least 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Sign into the Google account you use for downloads because wrong accounts block installs. Once done, restart the tablet to clear transient glitches, then go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store. Force stop the app, clear cache, and clear data if needed. This removes temporary errors but preserves app listing. These immediate steps remove common startup blockers and prepare the device for deeper fixes. Now address the core causes. First, check Google Play services and the Play Store versions, update them through settings, or sideload a trusted APK if the store won't update. Make sure date and time are set to automatic because certificate errors occur with wrong time. Disable VPNs or proxies temporarily and inspect battery saver or data saver settings that block background access. If problems persist, remove the Google account and re-add it so credentials resync and sync permissions reset for the Play ecosystem. Finish by verifying the fixes. Install available system and Play app updates, sign back into your Google account, then try downloading a small app to confirm success. If everything works, you're done. If not, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This removes persistent system corruption, so make sure backups are current. One key troubleshooting tip: note any Play Store error codes and clear Google Play services cache before reset. That single step often resolves stubborn download or authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.